Hi friends, welcome to Wisdom Jobs. Myself Jyoti. Today we are going to discuss about some career growth in related to engineering, right? Before I proceed, if at all you're viewing this channel for the first time, I would request you to please subscribe this channel, Wisdom Jobs, and please do share your valuable comments, right? Let us proceed. So first and foremost, people who have completed their 10 plus 2 and getting into the counseling, are you actually worried about which stream you need to go for, right? And if at all like you're planning for civil engineering, right, this is the right video that you're watching. I would request you to please watch till end of this video so that you can decide the role, you can decide your stream, okay? So this is civil engineering career that we are going to discuss in detail. So we are going to cover what exactly is civil engineer is all about and what does he do, right? And what is the career scope, okay? How is the scope, how is the career growth, and what is the qualification for a civil engineer, and what does the skill set required for the civil engineer, and what is the remuneration that he can get up to, okay? Let us get into the detail. What is a civil engineer? Usually you get to see the people who are actually mingled with number of people in related to while actually handling a construction field. Yes, not only construction, even in the designing. Yes, so a civil engineer is actually involved in designing, constructing and maintaining the infrastructure system. And what does he do? He will help behind designing, planning, executing the task related to the structures and the construction, right? So you have understood the concept of civil engineering and what does he do, right? Now let us proceed about the career scope of a civil engineer. A scope of a civil engineer is estimated to have $9 trillion in 2018, right? Is expected to show a growth trend of 4% from the period of 2019 to 2025. So if we are into 2020, so we can expect 4% of growth from now. So how does the job roles vary of a civil engineer? So he can be a civil engineer, he can be a project manager, he can be a construction engineer. So what are the qualifications required for the civil engineer? Qualifications. So what are the qualifications required for a civil engineer? 10 plus 2 with the science stream, that is maths, physics and chemistry. Bachelor's in engineering is required with a civil engineering stream. From IIT, JEE and NEET, you can actually complete your civil engineering course. And Masters in Technology or MBA is also fine, but BE in civil engineering is must. MTech to qualify GATE exam. So this is for getting the next level of the civil engineer. If at all you've done MTech in civil engineering, then that is good to go, okay? So what are the skill set required for a civil engineer? You should have a technical knowledge and you should be able to manage stakeholders. You should be handling the multiple vendors and creative and problem solving ability. Whenever you are getting into a field, right, you may have so many challenges. You should be able to resolve those issues on spot. So you should be very spontaneous in answering. Moreover, you should be assertive because you're going to handle number of people of various fields, right? And attention to the detail. So whatever that is involved in the structure, in the construction structure, you should mention in the detail in your plan without missing anything, correct? Management skills. So you are going to manage number of different kind of vendors under you, right? A person who is a civil engineer, under him you will have various number of people who are working. Civil engineer is not going to construct, right? You will have masonry persons, you will have the persons who are working under the masonry, right? You have so many people who are working for the daily wages also. So civil engineer will not actually handle directly to the daily wages people, right? he will be handling the major people who are on the higher end, right? So you should be able to have those management skills in you so that you can actually complete your task on time without any hurdle. So what are the remunerations that you can get? So this is annual salary for the civil engineer, and this is lakhs per annum for the salary range I am going to talk about. So for a civil engineer, it is 460,000. This is annual salary, and that comes to 27k to 10k lakhs per annum. Okay, and this is for project manager, 500k lakhs to 2200 lakhs, and for construction engineer you will be able to earn up to 318k to 1267,000 lakhs per annum. Okay, so this is the remuneration that you're going to get. By experience, you can earn more depending upon the projects that you're handling. I hope you have understood the concept of the civil engineer, how exactly the work deals about. In case you have any questions related to this concept, please mention it in the comments so that we can answer you. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly do like, share and comment to this video, and please do subscribe the channel Wisdom Jobs. Thanks a lot. Have a wonderful day ahead.